Baking Lowdown. Today we're going to be making vegan pound cake. The ingredients are half a cup of vegan butter or coconut oil, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 cup of soy milk, and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and powdered sugar.
That's optional. You can sprinkle the powdered sugar on top. So as you know, I'm Jay, that's Lo. Our first step is going to be making our what we call buttermilk. You're gonna mix your milk and your apple cider, and then you're gonna set it aside. So that is going to be 1 cup of your milk. We're gonna use oat milk, even though it says soy milk. And then for the apple cider, 1 teaspoon. Mix it up and set it aside. One cup brown sugar. There you go. Now the butter. We're gonna mash that together until it mixes up very well. We have our brown sugar and butter all mixed up. Our milk with our apple cider vinegar for our buttermilk's been sitting. Now we're gonna put our flour and our baking powder. Blend that up, and then we're gonna mix everything in, and that should be your batter. So we have 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Dump it in. And it's gonna be 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Over here, Lo. So the flour. Not where the brown sugar was. There we go. We'll mix it all up. All right, that's our batter. If you want to get a little bit more funky, you can get some pecans, which we're gonna do.
Chocolate.
All right, and we're gonna crush them. Just crush them with your hand, or you can put them on a board with a rolling pin if you want to make them really small. Crushing them with your hand is usually does the job. That's it. Just mix that in. Not too many. Take some chocolate, a little trusty stasher bag. Mix that up. While your oven is preheat on 350, you can mix all this stuff up, put it in your loaf pan, and then you're gonna throw it in the oven for about 1 hour. Hour. See how it does.
This is my brother Aiden, and he's gonna try it with us.
Alright. Look at that.
Very small.
About to get a piece. Still pound cake. Pound. Alright, well, ingredients are in the description. Always look in the descriptions for the information. Sometimes we might miss an ingredient like we did with our potatoes. So make sure you're looking at the description. We're humans, we make mistakes too. This is really good. Recommend it with the pecans and the chocolate. Gives it more flavor. Little powdered sugar on top. Really good. good with tea and coffee.
Coffee.
So next time, like, subscribe,
Ring that notification bell and
have a sweet day.